Hey guys, Casey here, VanTripping, and I want to show you a real quick thing on my spare tire carrier recovery gear kit carrier. Again, low cost. This is what it looks like from the top with it off the, and I'll show you the stuff inside. Get this through tank connection. Just unscrew this. This lifts off. You see how nice and clean that seals up, and it just lines right up, right with here with this nipple. And here we go. Here's all my gear that I can keep in here. It's pretty fantastic. So let's start pulling some of this out because I need to use some of it right now. Voila! There's some more stuff. So that's how it looks like from the inside. And this is what it looks like from the outside. So very easy to mount to the spare tire carrier. It fits right inside. And this is all the gear that I could fit in from my can that I used to have. So it adds a tremendous amount more gear. A Factor 55 synthetic rope pulley. The soft shackle for that. Another soft shackle. We have a big 3-inch tree strap protector. There's also down the bottom there's 3 3/4-inch steel shackles, and you can see the pulley fits real nicely right over this PVC pipe fitting. See, that's what that is right there. You can see there's the steel shackles. I keep them wrapped in their bubble wrap just so they don't jiggle around or anything. And that goes down in there, and you can still see there's a lot of room in there for, you know, gloves, other recovery gear, whatever it may be, right? So quite a bit. So it's pretty great little setup. I can also fit the winch controller in here. So yeah, it's pretty fantastic. And this is where I fit it right onto the spare tire carrier. It's a great ladder and spare tire carrier. And if you haven't seen my video on my 3 ladders, yes, I've had 3 different ladders, 2 different side ladders, and now this designs rear spare tire carrying ladder, and it's by far my favorite. You can watch that video. I'll show the link here so you can see that. And this is how I mount it and lock it into the spare tire carrier. And this works great for carrying all my recovery gear and getting that out of the vehicle. And this is a very large box. You can even put a larger box on here, and is an incredibly low cost option. And here it is with the winch controller as well, and its cable, because it's all watertight and sealed up by the thread through nipples and connectors. You simply line those up in the big threads here, and voila, that is sealed up and all done. Pretty fantastic. Now let's go right back onto the spare tire carrier. As you see, simple. Slide it on. Goes right in between the hub of the wheel, center of the wheel, and into the back of the wheel. Take the tire carrier. Done.